What Hazrat Anas radiallahu anhu used to do when a storm approached. Hazrat Nazar bin Abdullah relates, one day, while Hazrat Anas radiallahu anhu was alive, it became very dark during the daytime. I went to him and said, "Did you ever see such a thing in the Prophet's time?" He replied, "I seek refuge in Allah. In those days, if the breeze blew a little stronger than normal, we would hasten towards the masjid, fearing the approach of the last day." Hazrat Abu Darda radiallahu anhu narrates, whenever there was a storm, Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam would get perturbed and would go to the masjid. Who thinks of going to the masjid nowadays, even at the time of the worst of calamities? Leave aside the common people, even those who regard themselves as good and practicing Muslims do not practice this sunnah. What a deterioration!